Hi guys, I'm sorry I can't be with you today, so I'm going to teach you virtually. You'll have a couple videos that'll walk you through today's lesson. First, we need our notes. I need you to turn to your geometry section in your notebook. Here's the measurement section, here's geometry. Our last notes were the lines notes. I need you to flip and go to the next page. At the top of the page, I need you to write classify triangles. And today's date is 3/20. Today we're going to be classifying triangles by looking at their angles. Okay, the first type of triangle that we're going to find is an acute triangle. So we're going to write acute. We know about acute angles. Acute angles are less than 90 degrees. When we find an acute triangle, we know it's an acute triangle because it has all acute angles. We're going to draw a picture of an acute triangle. And we're going to label the angles. This angle right here is acute. This angle right here, also acute. This angle here is acute. That's how I know it's an acute triangle. Our second type of triangle, based on angles, you probably guessed, is a right triangle. Now, we know it's a right triangle because it has one right angle. Now, we know right angles measure 90 degrees. Most of the time, the triangle will have the right angle marked. They use this little square to mark it. This angle is acute. This one is right, and this one is acute. Then I know it's a right triangle. Now, the right triangle isn't always at the bottom. Sometimes they'll put the right angle up in the corner. As soon as I see a right angle, I know it's a right triangle. There's one type of triangle left, and I bet you can guess it. It's the obtuse triangle. The obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle. It might look like this. So to draw an obtuse triangle, I draw one very large angle. See how it's open, nice and wide? And then connect. Here is my obtuse angle. This one is acute, and this one is acute. Therefore, I know it's an obtuse triangle. Take a moment and make sure that your notes look just like this.